Hello, mic check. Um, okay, mic is working. Good. Hello. Uh, it is Pogu Desu. We are now live once again. I think we're a little bit early, like 2 minutes early, but yep, we are now live. And status report. We're just gonna say that our lore is out on my website. It's named Pogu Desu, pogudesu.com. You can check it out, and yeah, you'll enjoy the free novel right here. Work really hard on this one. Yeah. So right now we're in a second project called. We just finished the our portfolio. Now we're just moving on to the second project, which is indie game. Right now we're in progress. Progress. Cool. Okay, we are now gonna start making game. Say Unity Hub. This is a multiplayer game. We're gonna use Unity as our game engine. Unity asset store. Cool. Unity asset store. And then Unity asset store. Oh my god, so bright, so bright. Can we have a can we see if there's a new innovation? Is there any new release right now? Okay, we're gonna make a new project. This one, the name of this one's gonna be let's say project. The name still in progress. We don't know what's gonna name it. Just gonna say project. Second project. Second project. Okay. Now we're gonna create project. Let's just say URP, yeah. 3D URP. Yeah. We don't need a URP. It's gonna take a while to copy the template. We're just gonna go to our game design document. There we go. This is our game design document. For the overview, we're just gonna make 5 players horror game, and one of them is gonna act as a ghost, and then there's gonna be 2 phases. The first phase is the investigation phase. This is where 4 players will be investigating what type of ghost is gonna be. And then for the ghost, as a ghost on the first phase is gonna be they're gonna scare the players or maybe kill them. We're not really sure, but for now that's what we decided. It could be changed anytime. And what kind of research play the 4 players gonna do? We haven't really decided yet. For now, we're just gonna do a prototype. Is it done? Oh, it's done. Okay, good. So we're gonna make our project here. Scene, sample scene. Let's rename this to, instead of sample scene, we're just gonna rename this to playground scene. Okay, because we're just gonna make a playground here, not the main scene but the playground scene. And then we're gonna make a cube sandayo and set it to 0000. So this is our 000 place. That means 0 on the X position, 0 on the Y position, and also 0 on the Z position. Let's expand the scale of this cube. This is gonna be the platform. Let's just say 25 on the X position, and then we're gonna scale it to the Z position of 25 meters. It's kind of white. I don't like it. Let's say that for now we're just gonna make a new folder for materials. And let's say this is gonna be gray. Let's create a new materials and set it to gray. Albedo. Gray sandayo. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this is gonna be our playground. We have a camera, we have a directional lights, and we have a cube. Let's rename our cube. This is gonna be our floor. We're gonna rename it to floor. And for the directional lights, we're just gonna wait. What is this? What? It changed? I'm sorry. This is my first time working on this version. I think this version is Unity 2021.3. Not really familiar with this. I just downloaded the official. Okay. All right. Let's say we're gonna be like that, and then I think we need lights. Yeah. Okay. Let's say the directional light's gonna be like that. Okay. For now, we're gonna make a multiplayer. I mean, we're just gonna test our idea, if our ideas is good in multiplayer or not. Our game design document is not fully laid out, so it's not fully laid out. So sorry, I was lost in thought right now. It's not fully laid out yet. I'm sorry, where am I? We need more research for making a multiplayer, because horror game is not my forte, so I need some research on that one. And then right now we're just gonna make a simple multiplayer to validate our idea. If we can make a horror game multiplayer. Cool. Okay. So we're gonna go to our Google browser and search for Unity multiplayer. And then I think we're gonna use mirror. Mirror Unity. GitHub, we're gonna go to the GitHub. And then mirror. Mirror is a high-level networking library for Unity 2019-2020 long-term support, compatible with different low-level transports. Mirror is for indie games and small MMOs made by developers of UMMORPG and Kubika. Mirror is optimized for ease of use and probability of successes. We needed a networking library that allowed us to launch our game and survive the next decade. Mirror is stable and production ready. Okay, so we're gonna use this. Dedicated server anywhere. Server hosting. During this guide, we will set up a dedicated server and place the server build of our project on the dedicated server. Important, before we begin, there are some potential problems you may face, as no server is truly free. Service provided are not free. Most of the time, you can start with free trials for a limited time after X amount of time or X amount of use resources. The trial will end and you might incur payment. Always read and provide the provider's free trial limitations. Same providers require a payment method for using a Windows instance. However, as long as you do not go over the limitations, and the provider should not bill you. Note: Mirror is not affiliated with, cannot be held responsible for any charges or fees associated with service providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Compute Engine, and others. Okay, so we're gonna use this one, and then we're gonna make a server on our own. Azure, okay. We have AWS. We still have 800 credit, but it's gonna end on December, so I wanna use that as much as possible. During this section, you will focus on using Windows instance and connecting from Windows computer. Note: AWS require a payment method credit card added before being able to use Windows Server. Don't forget to read up to on the free tier limitation. During this example, we will be using the free tier of EC2 option, which give us the possibility to use a Windows instance. If you are already added a payment method, for more information about which service offer a free tier, see AWS free tier. These are the steps we will go through from the start to finish. Account creation. Setting up an instance with the EC2 management console. Configuring the server via RDP, remote desktop. Setting up the firewall to allow connections through. Testing the connection. Account creation. Okay, I think I already have this, so I'm just gonna go through scheme it. Okay, all right. Add storage. Nothing's changed. Keep it default. 300 is more than you need. There will be an error if you choose a lower amount. Okay. Add tags. Nothing has been changed. Click it default. Okay. Client's connecting port is 7777 for your mirror project. SSH if needed. I think we need the remote here. Custom TCP rule with port 7777 and source anywhere. Description can be whatever, but it will be as mirror. If KCP is on your network manager, unblock and UDP. Alright. Okay. One more thing. A window will pop up. Okay. All right. Configuration using remote desktop. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Hai, wakarimashita. Cheats and anti-cheats. Server authority versus client authority. First thing first. Mirror is server authoritative by default. In other words, the server makes all decision. Cheaters will usually modify the client to exploit the games, where the client is trusted with some decision, aka client authority. In other words, as long as you are useful server authority, you are fine until someone physically hacks your server machine. If you use client authority for parts of your game like movement, then those are the parts you need to worry about. Just to be clear, here is the difference between server and client authority, explained by using a health potion. Server authority. Client, may I use this potion? Server, verifying. Client, your new health is 100. Okay. Alright, interesting. Interesting. Getting started. I think we shouldn't use Unity 2021 because it says here that Mirror is high-level network library for Unity 2019/2020 long-term support. I'm not sure if Mirror supports Mirror Unity for 2021. Does it support 2021? Does it support releases, package content, publisher info, review, overview? Okay, the compatibility. Let me see the compatibility. Or newer. It says get Unity 2019 long-term support or newer. So it might be let's see. Review. So nice. Thank you for really useful asset. I wonder what kind of okay. Okay, let's take a look at the script templates. Component. Authenticators. Steam. Use device ID. All right. Okay. Okay, we'll just log in. One moment. I'm just gonna log in. No thanks. Okay, now I'm logged in. Number. All right. All right, thank you for waiting. Cool. All right. Horror? Oh, there's a horror here. Accept all cookies. Oh, wait. There's a horror FPS here. And then it's 40% off as well. Let's take a look at this one. Okay. There's a UI. There's an object here. CCTV system. And then there's a radio system, chest system, VHS player, dynamic objects, lights, items, weapons, lamps. Okay, it is a jump scare, zombie behavior AI, customizable zombie. Okay, it is a cool assets, but for 27 US dollar seems like a horror. It's pretty much expensive, to be honest. This is just music. I thought it's gonna have like that environment. Let's check our assets if we have any environment. Um, voice chat. Okay, this one supports mirror. Great. What does it do? Simple drag and drop, no scripting required, works with any network system, great audio quality, performance and compression with Opus codec, positional and spatial audio playback with audio, multiple chat room, player to player, chat, speaker priority and more, detailed none. Okay, good. Nice. Alright, we have a voice chat. We can use that. Oh, shooting range. Super multiplayer scene. Mirror. Okay, character movement. That's good. We have a desert environment. I'm not sure if we can use that. Oh, post-apocalypse world. I wanna take a look at that and see. I think we can use this. All right. Okay. Okay, it's just the outside world. There's nothing in house, like, yeah, like a haunted house. We're looking like a haunted house or something. Too bad. Almost there though. Let's see. Potoscan Mountain. Polygon. Spine. Dreamtech Spine. Mojiba. Okay. Resourcer. Node canvas. MOBA. The big castle kit. I think the big castle kit would work. And the medieval. RPG fantasy pack. Crafting. Plastic. Animancer Pro. Okay. Oh. Smooth sync. Designer. Let's see. All right. We will just leave that later. Just gonna say package manager, and then my assets. Let's install mirror first. So we're just gonna search mirror. MMO remastered, MMO RPG engine. We're just gonna do the mirror thing here, and then we're gonna go to import that thing, and then we're gonna make a new folder, and then we're gonna move it there. It takes a while. Let me just drink my water. Oma. Okay, we're gonna make a new. Wait, what's this? Script template? Alright. I don't think it's a good idea to move the mirror. Okay, we're gonna rename this as assets. Unity Asset Store. Unity Assets. But yeah. So we're gonna go to mirror here, and then we're just gonna say getting started. Okay, general, getting started. Script templates. Add new object to the scene, rename it network manager. Network manager setup, script templates. Spawners. Okay, quick start, mirror quick start, that's good. Basic scene setup. Before converting your single player game or creating your ideal brand new multiplayer game, the pre-made mirror example are great for using as a reference. It is recommended to use. Okay. First, we're gonna make a cube. No, not cube, but capsule. Okay, let's set that to 0, 0, 0. All right. I'm gonna. Okay, good. Okay, we're just gonna set that there, and then we're gonna go to materials, and then let's say that this is color red. Set that color red. There you go. And then this is gonna be the front, right? Okay, we're gonna create another empty object, 3D object. Let's say this is gonna be a cube, and let's say this is gonna be the eye. Let's scale it to this, and then the Y is this, and then we're gonna move it, and then the Z is gonna be, and then this one is gonna be, there you go. Nice. And then of course it's gonna be like, yeah, I think just keep it like, I think we should keep it blue. Let's make materials blue, and then color blue, or maybe light blue. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Okay, okay. And then we're gonna alright, import our character movement to this player. And then to do that, we're just gonna say package manager character movement fundamentals, download that thing, and then import that. Hi. Okay, so we already import that character movement. I'm just gonna move that to Unity assets because this is all Unity assets, and then let that assembled source code source script. Okay, so the scenes. Character interest movement, room manager, room player. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Alright. So we're just gonna say that prefabs here, controller, blank, third person, click to move, first person. Okay, first person. Of course, it's gonna be 0000, and then we're gonna put the model to here. So let's say this is 0, 0, 0. Now this is gonna be 0000, right? So what we're gonna do? What we're gonna do is on the capsule, we're gonna remove the collider here. Completely remove the collider. And since this has a collider, I'm just gonna okay, 0. Okay, 0000, right? 0000. Just gonna okay, good. Cool. Capsule Y height. Yeah, there we go. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Let's try it. Hit play. Huh, that's weird. How come it is not moving? No. I go. No. Model capsule. Target. Smooth position. Let's try that. No, it's not. Hmm. Hmm. Ah. Oh well. That's weird. Let's go to an example. Showcase. Okay. Let's change my thing here. Layout. Save layout. Pogu layout. Cool. So empty showcase. Okay. All right. Where's me? Where is it? Okay, I think I see. I see. Okay. Third person. Okay. How does the third person rotate? Animation control. Footstep. Advanced walk controller. Mover. Okay. Model root. Model root has a smooth position. And then smooth rotation, but it is a this one doesn't have a script, and this one also doesn't have a script, and this one doesn't have a script as well. This one has a script, but it is disabled. Smooth position, turn towards transform direct. Okay, so you're just gonna include this turn toward transform direction script. Cool. Okay. All right. I think we're gonna disable the jump button here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go back to our main scene. And then the first person walker. We're just gonna say that we want this to turn toward camera direction, and the camera direction is this Is it this one? Or this one? Yeah. So the camera, no. Yeah. Oh, let's try that. Wow. It got me rolling, not rolling. Wow. Okay. Good. Good. Alright, good. But the eye should be ignored by camera. Calling cast. I'm just gonna turn off the eye. Alright. Cool. Let's see. Control S, save, and then we're just gonna. Yeah, the mirror. Okay. Basic setup. Okay. Blank project, import. Okay, I already did that. Part 1 is done. Part 2, create new scene, save it, add it to build settings. Let's try that. Build settings. This, okay, already add that. Create a new object, name it network manager in the scene, and add these 3 components: network manager, KCP transport. Telepathy transport is older. You do not need KCP and telepathy. Okay. And network manager HUD. Okay, let's do that. Create empty object. I'm gonna position it 0000. I don't know why it's not positioning 0000 by default. And then we're just gonna say network manager. We're gonna name it as a network manager, and it says that we're gonna add 3 components. One is network manager. Good. And then KCP transport. Okay, and then network manager HUD. Hi. Nice. Okay. On the network manager component, drag your offline and online scene into the slots. We have only one scene for now, so put your scene in both. The scene must be in the build settings before dragging it to the field. Okay. Network manager, offline and online scene. Offline and online scene. I'm just gonna say offline, online scene. Okay. Alright. Build settings. Good. Part 3. Set up the scene. Add a simple plane. floor with position scale 2222. I already have floor, so I can skip this. Optional, add a materials to this. Okay, optional, we don't need to do that. Next, we add a game object. Name does not matter. Add network start position component to this object. Duplicate the game object a few times and scatter around your scene floor so that you have multiple spawn points. I did 4, 1 near each corner. Okay, this is a spawn point. Network start position. Okay, we're just gonna make like 4 spawn position. Spawn. I think we need spawn network position. And then we're just gonna add network start position. Cool. And then let's set 0, 0, 0. Cool. And then let's try 0.5. Okay, good. And then we're gonna, I think we should here, yeah. Okay, and then just gonna say blue. I said icon of blue, yeah. And just gonna add one more here, one more here, one more here. Okay, we have 4. Okay, I did 4, 1 each corner. Okay, creating the player. Create a capsule using the menus as shown in the image. Attach a network transform component. This will auto add a network identity. Tick client authority on the network transform. Okay, so this one, we already have a capsule that it has a character movement. So I'm just gonna say network, wait, what is it? Network what? Network transform. Network transform. Okay, and also gonna add a network identity. Oh, you cannot see it. Mob, pogu, 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 mob. All right. Okay, client authority, check. Wait, it does say client authority, right? Yeah, tick client authority. Okay. Where is it? Client authority, check, check. Okay, part 3 is done. Part 4, rename the object player. Okay, we're just gonna rename this as a player. Good. Add an empty player script. Okay. Let me just create a folder here. Rename it to script, and then let's create a another folder for player. And then we're just gonna say another folder for module. And then we're just gonna say player script. Okay, and then it says that we're gonna attach it here. There we go. Add an empty player script. Wait a second, it does have player script. Okay, I thought we're gonna create. Okay, never mind. Drag into the project to create a prefab. Let's create a new folder. Let's name it prefab, and then I'm just gonna say this is a player. Okay. Yeah, there you go. And then delete player from the scene. Okay. Drag your player prefab into the network manager. Okay. Network manager, Doko. And then player prefab. There you go. Okay. Part 4 is done. Part 5. Add the following on your player script. Network mono behavior. Network behavior. On start local player. On update. Alright. Okay, let's go to our script module. Hi. JetBrain. Sorry, I haven't. I think I'm gonna set up my JetBrain. One moment. Okay, confirm. Continue. Don't send. Skip import. Next. 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 Okay. ちょっと待ってくださいね。Log. Okay. All right, I think it's set up. Just gonna go back. All right, sorry about that. I just need to authorize my account. I don't want to show that, so okay. So we're just gonna paste. Oh my god. Oh my god. My bad. Where is it? Oh, this one. So we're gonna use using mirror. Okay, and then we're gonna do this network. Wait, ちょっと待って. How come? Wait, package manager, Unity registry, Rider, JetBrain. It is installed, right? Yeah, it is. So how come project reference, external tools, Rider. There you go. Hi. Hi. Mono. Wait, where's my... Eh? Mono behavior. Where's my... Man. Okay. Let's open that. Trust and open. Load that. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. Oof. Scared me there. Okay. Network behavior. And then paste that. Without this, of course. And then we just got... Okay. On start local player, override. On the network behavior. On update. Okay. Void update. If not local player, return. I don't think I need this, to be honest. But I feel like because we already have a movement and camera script, but just in case, let's create a new game object. Let's say player test, and then on the prepub, we're just gonna remove the player script here, but we're not gonna use this for now. We're not gonna use this for now. We're just gonna use the player test. Let's add this cube capsule. No, remove. Delete. We're gonna create a new object, 3D object, capsule. Okay, let's set that to 0000 on position 00. Nice. Okay, and then let's add the player script. Cool. And then let's name this player test dash test, and then we're gonna make a prepub. Delete this prepub. On the network manager, instead of player, we're just gonna say player test, and save this. Okay, next, part 6. Press play in Unity editor, then host. Are you sure about that? There's no canvas here. Oh, okay. They actually spawn it. Press play in Unity editor, then host. Server plus client in the button. Okay. Okay, I see. I see. Play. Then you should be able to move around with the first person view capsule. Running via KPC. Okay. Build and run your scene. Open it. And host on one. And press the client on both others. Congrats. You have mini multiplayer game. Okay. Let's do that. Okay. Build. Okay. Build and run your scene. Open it. Host on one. Client button on one. Oh, dedicated server. I see. Okay. Second project. Project 2. This one is build. Oh, let's create a new folder here. Say it build. And then create another folder that says second project. Okay. I think this one's not gonna last long, but okay. So you can see it here. Right, I'm gonna open it. Host. We're gonna host it. Allow. Okay, now we'll see something here. And then on the Unity, we're gonna do it as a... We're gonna maximize it first. We're gonna go as a client. And then, yep, there you go. Nice. Nice. They are nice. Okay. Let's let me drag this here and then wait, I don't see any movement on the other players. That's it's not moving on the other. Something wrong. And then hop someone press the client one. Congrats, you have a mini multiplayer game. Okay, you'll be able to see the object but not the... Okay. Per name of heads. Inside your player prepub, create empty game object. Name it like floating info. Player name. You'll see the names and colors sync across the network. Okay, a scene, network, object can all access and adjust. The scene script. Add this code. create a canvas. Weapon switching. Okay. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see someone save and duplicate your scene. Rename. Open. Play. Scene load manager. Okay. Oh well. Well, at least we see them moving, right? No, I mean we see them spawning, right? It's just not moving. It's crazy. Server only? Oh, I see. We need them moving. We don't see them moving though. It's kind of weird. Well, at least we see them. We see them spawning. It's just the moving is a problem. Hmm. How do you move though? Guides. Authority. Serialization. Synchronization. Serialization. Vector tree. Wait, I think I missed something here. On player test, right? You should have a on network transform. Network transform. And it should be client authority. That's what I forgot, I believe. That's why we didn't see anyone moving. Let's try that. Let's do that as a host, and then we're gonna go here, see other people, and then on this one, I'm gonna move this to the second screen, and then you'll see me guys spawn me in a moment here. I'm just gonna go on the client. You guys see me? And then do you see me moving? Oh, nice. Ah, nice. You guys see me moving, right? Yeah. Cool. All right. Nice. Cool. That's the multiplayer right there. Okay. We have successfully have a multiplayer. The thing is, we're just gonna say that we're just gonna have a little bit problem here, like hosting or something. Room creation. Screen template. API reference. Do they have a something like a brief history of mirror? Transport. Is the new default for mirror about this also? 100% C#. Works on all platform except WebGL. Heavy tested coverage. Extremely fast. Extremely simple. Nearly allocation free. Due with a reduction of 30 to 40%. Maximum delay. Nice. Unblock DPE, not TCP, port 7777, the default unless you change it. Okay. Component. Okay, network room player. The network room player stores per room. While in the room, while using component, you need to write a script which allow players to indicate they are ready to begin playing, which sets the ready to begin property. Okay, I think we need this because it's gonna be a room, right? Room manager. Prepare room before entering the main play scene of the game. It allows you to set up a network with maximum player limit, automatic start when all players are ready. Game is locked after start, preventing late joiners. Customizable ways for players to choose option while in room. There are two types of player objects with network room manager. One for each player, created when client connects or player is added. Persist until client disconnects. Created when player connects or holds ready flag and configuration data. Okay. Okay, configuration data. One of each player must use network room player component. One for each player, created when game scene is started, destroyed when leaving the game scene, handles command in the game. Show the default GUI control for the room, minimum player, room player, the scene to use the room, the scene to use the main gameplay, list that holds player that are ready to start playing, all players ready, okay. Network manager. So network manager and network room manager is different. It's a specialized type. Please, specialized type of network manager that provides a multiplayer room before entering the main play scene of the game. It allows you to set up a network with. Okay, I already read that. Okay. Server hosting. During the development with your mirror, you will need to test your project as a client and as a server. There are few possible ways to test your project. Default build, host client as one and connecting with another build, editor to the host locally in one computer, server build. Server is a separate executable. You can place it on your computer, run it, and connect it as a client. What do you mean by that? Server build. Server is separate executable. You can place it on your computer, run it, and connect it as a client. Okay, dedicated server, same as the server build but placed on an external machine. You connect it with the server's external IP. Okay. Okay, anyway. Okay. How much to use mirror? I mean, how much is the cost for hosting a mirror server in AWS? Mirror server Unity. Maybe I should use Reddit. Let's see. What? 15? runs an MMO server for a game he built, and his system isn't exactly performant network-wise. $40 a month. He doesn't have a tons of players, but he has enough on each day. There's a data being transferred consistently. Worst come to worst, you can host it yourself for a while. It's pretty easy to set up, but you have to worry about setting up a DDoS protection yourself, which is the biggest advantage of using service to do it for you, because they have that and a bunch of other helpful things to prevent stupid stuff from happening. TLDR, your server will easily be below 100. If the price starts to rise, then you're probably getting a bigger player base, which is a good problem to have. What service is your friend using to host his server? I'm making a small MMO myself and just running it on Google Cloud right now. About $60 USD a month, always looking for out for a new solution. DigitalOcean is a lot cheaper than GCP, Google Cloud Compute, AWS, and Azure, but it doesn't offer the same services, although I say it's solid and reliable. Other things that's good to realize in advance, it depends a lot on your implementation. If you choose the naive approach of syncing every game object every frame using tool like Mirror or MLAP, then you basically need to start headless Unity instance for every match. And you're going to need a lot of bandwidth and computing power. This is what you need for fast real-time games, but it's total overkill for turn-based game board. If you implement it smartly, you can only send a few bytes back and forth for every turn, and then let it play out deterministically, both client and server side. Can be really cheap. Not that keeping your server authoritative. If you don't want to keep track of central ranking data, you could also do it peer-to-peer, but then you still need a matchmaking server, or use an existing matchmaking service like Steamworks. Either way, if you do it smartly, it will probably only cost you a couple dollars per month until your games take off. Sometimes the first year will be free. I'm sure all big players have similar offering. Okay, I'm not doing peer-to-peer, but you can try Google Cloud. You can get 3 months free. So when you get to that stage, you can try it out. After the free is up, it's around $60 per month, but that might be more power than what you need. So you can likely find something cheaper. But the 3 free months is super nice. My turn-based game has about 40 people max online in rare picks, and virtual machine cost me $3.5 per month. What is this? Okay, see. Pricing regime is different, but commonly is concurrent players or API calls. Since your game is turn-based per turn, so you can calculate cost per game. Oh, this is turn-based game? I mean, HTTP works, to be honest. Your Steam game page seems implies Steam server are already running on AWS. Oh well. Oh yeah, there's a Unity something. Unity service. Let's check that out. Unity service. No, not that one. Unity gaming service. There we go. Unity service. Unity service. Unity service. Unity service. Okay. Let's go to my dashboard. Personal settings. Account. Okay. Oh. Never mind. All right, that's it for me. Bye-bye. I will. That's a wrap. Bye-bye.